off. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check this out. Today I'm bringing you this 2008 GMC SIERRA SLE 1500. Gorgeous, gorgeous truck. It's got your typical standard, you know, lift kit, wheels and tires on it with the norm setup. So it's like a 6-inch rough country lift kit on a set of 35, 1250, 20-inch carriage tires with a set of 20 by 12 Moto Metal 962s on it. The wheel's been out for a while. It's still a great looking wheel. Full turn right, full turn left, no rubbing or scrubbing or anything like that. And as you can see, the truck looks pretty good. Maybe there's a little bit of trim on the front lower valance of the front bumper. I'll show you in just a second. But otherwise it runs great and it drives great and it's a great truck. So with that said, let's check it out. It's cold as freaking balls out here, by the way. I don't know about you guys, but we just got this 2 days ago. I think it was, I don't know what day it was. 7 inches of snow over here in Virginia. We're in Fredericksburg, Virginia, so I'm right smack in the middle roundabout of Washington, D.C. and Richmond, Virginia. And we got creamed. I heard North Carolina, wherever that's at, got also pretty laid out. So as you can see from the video, there's a bunch of snow that was here, and we're 2 or 3 days into melting so far, but it still remains. Here's the truck. Super, super nice truck. It's not perfect. It's got maybe a scratch here, there, some chips on the edge of the door or whatnot. The bed liners, it's got a Scorpion bed liner, spray and bed liner on it. So it's pretty nice. Get some fender flares on it. Let's get your fender guards in here. So these are pretty cool. Plastic liner that lines the fender well, cleans it up in there a little bit, makes it look pretty nice. You can get those, we actually sell those at the shop. So they're not too expensive, a couple $100, something like that. It's got HIDs in it, upper and lower, bright as hell. Front bug guard, chrome to match the grill and whatnot. A little bit of scrapage right behind there. See that little rock chip right there? So we got a custom wheel offset. Shout out to Custom Wheel Offsets. I talked to one of the guys over there a couple of days ago. Cool dudes over there. So anyways, here it is. Let's go scope it out. I'm gonna do a walk around the truck real quick and then end the video so you guys can see it. And there's the underside of it right there. So here's what I was telling you, the trimming, a little bit of trim right there, nothing too crazy. A little bit of trim on the fender wells right here, because you're gonna get, when this tire turns all the way pan right or pan left, it's gonna rub a little bit. Same with the inner side right there, you can see. Moving along to this side. Paint's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous paint on this truck. No sunroof. It's cloth interior. It's an SLE. No backup camera. Let me get you a shot of the underside. There's the underside of it right there. So there it is. It's got a exhaust system on it. It's got backup sensors in the bumpers. It has a little bit of condensation in the taillight. That's a 10 horsepower right there. 10 horsepower. Shit! I stole it. Shut up. So there it is, tinted windows, rough country floor mats. Looks just like a WeatherTech. Rough country, guys. It's awesome because you can just dump this shit out when it's snowing or raining. Easy cleanup. Third row bench seat. You can flip this up, bring your shorty and your boy, or your boy and your shorty, whatever you go, whichever way. I don't care. That's all up to you guys. Homo, no homo. Hey, if you drive a truck, it's a girl, you're still cool. Don't worry. And right up here, guys, you get the typical crack in the dash. Famous Chevy. Great job designing this, fuckers. Right there. Here's the top of it. And I just put this on. Check this out. So I'm gonna keep it kind of short so I can end this video. A little spot right there. See that spot? LEDs and all the whole under interior. This truck has, start the bitch up, Kenwood or Pioneer double-din radio, Bluetooth compatibility. Sounds pretty good. Check it out. Ready? Listen. Has a great roar to it. Really, really nice roar. So it's pretty cool. This truck has 162,053 miles on it. AC, four-wheel drive, compass in the mirror. Let's go check under the hood. Boom! Bright ass freaking LEDs. I put this on, or my mechanic did, not I bought it. A little cold air induction filter system, Vortec 5.3 liter standard engine. It's all wired up, Rockford Fosgate for a subwoofer and amp. There is no subwoofer and amplifier currently in it, but it is wired up for one. Some good wire too. You get your fuse box transition area right there, and that's it. So here we go. Let's do a roundabout picture. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe. Peace out. This is Mark signing out with the 2008 GMC SIERRA SLE. That's right, SLE. SLE. And there we go. SLE. Kick-ass truck, guys. Hope you subscribe. And over and out. Oh, real quick. Everybody always asks me, how's the truck's stance from the side? My boy Anthony always says that. Great observation and great tip, so I can help you guys out right here. So, fender well right there. Tires stick out maybe 2 inches, if that. Probably 2.5, I would say. I'm 6 foot tall. And there we are, if you can see me. Yep, so right there. Pretty tough truck, pretty tall truck, aggressive stance. You guys will like it. If you're building one like it, then you can judge off of this one as far as what I've said in the video of what I have on it, what's done to it. So, hope you guys like it. Peace out. See you later. Subscribe.